Hey everybody, welcome to this platform, and to this video we have given a question: x squared minus y squared equals to 65, and we are supposed to find the value of x and y, where x and y are elements of natural numbers. It means that negative numbers are not included. Let's provide solution very quickly. And here, first thing is to copy what we have. We have x squared minus y squared equals to 65. And if you haven't seen nicely, this one is difference of two squares, where we have x plus y times x minus y, which equals to 65. Then here, what can we do? We can start by writing here x plus y equals to a, right? Then here we can still starting as here x minus y equals to b. This is what we have right here. We can choose where we want. Then what can we do? We can start by saying that this is equation 1, whereas this is equation 2. Alright. And of course, if you can take a times 2 times b, we have a times b, which equals to 65. Alright, this is what we have right here. And of course, we can write a here. We have this one, equation 1, then plus equation 2. What can we do? What we have equation which is here x plus y. Alright, then here plus equation 2, which is this one, x minus y, which is equal to what? This is equal to a plus b. A plus b. And of course, if you can add, we can get x plus y plus x minus y equals to a plus b, where we have this and this will be cancelled to get to x, which is equal to a plus b. And of course, x will be a plus b over 2, as we have right here. Then what can we do about equation? And of course, here we have case 2, where we can take equation 1 minus equation 2, as we have right here. We have here equation 1 is this one, x plus y, then minus here x minus z, y, here x plus y minus x minus z, y, that is equal to a here minus b. And of course, here we shall get this one, which is x plus y minus x, then here plus y, which is equal to a minus b. Of course, this and this to get to y, which is equal to a minus b, where y will be a minus b over 2. And this is the value of x and y. Here we can write that x equals to a plus b over 2, where our y is equal to a minus b over 2. And of course, you have seen that here a times b equals to 65. What can we do? Of course, here we can write this one as here a as this 65 can be equals to 1 times 65, or we can say that this is equal to 65 times 1, right? Or we can write this one as 5 times 13, or here 13 times 5. Alright, this is what we have right here. Of course, if you can arrange them here, we can write here, we can say case 1. We have this one, 1 times 65, which is equal to a b. To mean that our value of a here is 1, and our value of b here is 65. And remember that here we have seen a plus b over 2. This is equals to x. So that here, by pressing, we have 1 plus 65 over 2 equals to x. Then here, this is 66 over 2, which is equal to 33. Whereas on this stage, what do we have here? We have a minus b over 2, which equals to y. Whereas we have 1 minus 65 over 2 equals to y, and this is negative 64 over 2, which is equal to y. Then here, this is negative 32 equals to y. So that here, the solution set of x, y here will be 33 to negative 32. And if you have seen nicely, we have seen that here x and the y should be the elements of a natural number. To mean that this one will be rejected because of this one is negative. So that here, what can we do? In order to be achieved, we are going to use this equation number 2. Here we have 65 times 1 equals to ab, and we can write that here x equals to a plus b over 2, whereas y equals to a minus b over 2. 2. And of course, this is A. This can be written as 65 here. Then plus B, which is 1 over 2. So that this can be written as 66 over 2, which is equal to 33. Whereas this one is equal to 65, then minus 1 over 2. And this is 64 over 2, which is equal to this one, which is 32. And here our solution of x, y will be 33 and 32. What about case 3? Here we should get, here we have a, which is equal to 13 times 5, which is equal to a, b, to mean that this is a and this is b, so that here our x will be a plus b over 2, and y, which is equal to a minus b over 2. And this is equal to, here we shall write 13 plus 5 over 2, which is equal to, this can be 18 over 2, which is equal to 9. And of course, this is 13 minus 5 over 2, which is equal to 8 over 2, which is equal to 4. Then here, solution set of x and y will be 9 and 4. So that here, for this case, number 4, where we have 5 times 13 equals to a, b, this one will be rejected. Where the condition of x1, y, the condition of x is equal to a plus b over 2. And of course here, y is equal to a minus b over 2. Here, this one, a should be always greater than b in order to have positive value of x. So that here, the final solution of x and y, this is equal to 33 to 32, and here we have seen that we have 9 to 94. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.